Are you planning a pregnancy? Then preconception, you should know the 4 important points. Start your folic acid tablets, get vaccinated against rubella, stop your alcohol and smoking habits completely, start a balanced diet at least 1 month before planning a pregnancy, and check your blood sugar level, thyroid status and hemoglobin typing of both husband and wife.
Hagani ke jingelang lawan benishim benta de kilai ngot ki chief executive member jong ki district council ke jela bat ki he officer ke jela benetai sani halo ke jing betha jong ke finance commission ke bakhatsan na ke benta ban pentre kam ki skim ba pher ha ke jela habe kren bikinong pathai kubor uba preston tunsong ulong ba ketenat panchayati raj jong ke sarkar pedeng kala ai ke jing betha bagi lai teli district council ke jela ki don kam bandon yala ke jong ke portal balada kim don on omla ban pelaj ke bha tengka shaki ulong bagi district council ken hab ban kentiau ha portal jongki ya ki project bat ki scheme ki bagila dak ban pentre kam ne ya ki ba ki dang pentre usembut menteri rang ba ke jela ulong bagi district council ki syam jeng e ban thau ke portal namar kumta larai bagi riewshempang na ketenat panchayati raj bat ketenat CNRD bagi nit bendera bagi district council ban thau ya ke portal kumbala betha ke sarkar India bat gini ki riewshempang kin wan poi kata yo ban iarap ya ki district council banchna ya ke portal
to all the 3 district council. See, recently we received the guidelines from the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, where they said that you have to have your own portal. Without that, fund cannot be released. So the portal is, they need to update all the 3 district council, every villages, like census village, they need to update it in that portal. So some of them they have completed, some of them they are yet to complete. So we really have a very, very tough time, especially the this council, all the 3 council, when they, when they are trying to open, they could not, because some more challenges happens in between. So therefore today we had a meeting with all the 3 CMs of the 3 district councils, and then I've instructed that the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, the experts, then the experts from the rural development, state government, CNRD, SRES, will go and spend at least 1 day in each the 3 district council to help them out to come out with these challenges that they have while creating a separate portal for themselves. So we have taken a decision, most likely by next week. This expert from the Ministry of Panchayati Raj, and also from the Department of Rural Development, Government of Meghalaya, will go to all the 3 district councils to help them out how to install the portal, which was already mandated by the Government of India.